Hello, I want to show you how to disassemble the pH-Gun. So first, this sealing is very tight because you have to be sure that the electronic is safe. So you need something like that to open this part of the pH-Gun. Turn it like a normal screw. Then you have internal here a holder of the cable to fix that in place. You have to open it first to make it flexible. Yeah. Then you open the other part. This is only the safety part for the electrode to make sure that it will not go broken. You open the upper screw. Then internally you have to fix the cable and open with normal hand power the screw to disassemble the electrode. So you can slide down the pipe. Now you tighten that here and bring the interconnector back into the case.